love your dials, man.
Thank you,
The
man.
dials look great.
Thank you. Everything up top is also down below, but depending on the light, it will look different.
I noticed it looks like it has more texture on it.
But also,
Yeah.
part of this one will be because you're coming off of the bracelet as opposed to the strap. That changes it a lot
So this
as
is
well.
the same watch.
These are the same watches, one on leather, one on the bracelet.
Wow. Nice dial. Sorry.
I may need to get another bag. Problem is, maybe not. Let it disappear.
It is still a watch. I understand design is stuff.
It has to be readable.
Yeah, at the end of the day, you want to know what time it is. I've done some fascinating things with colors over the years.
I love it. I love it. Where's the new chrono at? Oh, it's that one right. Oh, it's small, huh? That's beautiful.
What is it, like a 38, 9?
39.
39.
Oh, that's all three of the new ones.
It's a great size.
Lovely piece.
What's that?
We love it.
It's a great size. It's sort of starting to go down and
Yeah.
down. It's where less.
That's a good size for that.
Isn't it?
You guys did really good. That's awesome.
The case height didn't run away with it either. it's a little steep, but that seems to take some of the sensibility of the case height off of that. Like if you,
It's a new movement.
In quite a way. Everything's online, but not until the 11th.
okay.
11th. So we don't get confused with the American British dates.
Just keep it simple.
Yeah.
Well,
I get fed up with explaining it. No
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Visually breaks it.
when they have the meteorite one. I really wanted to pick up a meteorite. You guys have that meteorite one that you came out with?
What?
The meteorite one?
Yes, we do. So the meteorites are over here.
Just over there.
That is a beauty.
Yeah, that's the meteorite with gunmetal. We've also got one with some blue on it that's coming out in December around Christmas time, so it's available for. Sorry?
You're gonna come out with another one, you said?
Yep. That one's going to be available around Christmas. So you can order today, but it's pre-order only.
Oh, yeah, this is a different one.
Yeah.
The other one had orange on it, right?
That one was an exclusive with watches.com, so we don't have it here today because it sold out in 2 days.
Because it already, I wanted it because it matched my wedding band.
Oh.
And then like right when it like came out, it was gone like that.
Yeah, it was fast. But we've got this one. We've got one with a little blue on it. Let me show that.
And when does pre-order open for that?
This one is available this week, I believe.
Okay.
This one is the pre-order.
Which one is that?
Pre-order.
Oh, that one really, the blue pops on it. That's nice.
Yeah. So you see, show you the lumens on that one as well.
Wow, look at that. And that's the same type of meteorite, the blue onion, whatever it's called?
Yeah, I don't know what the meteorite itself is called, but it is the same material. Yeah.
Beautiful, I love that. Thank you.
Yeah.
What about the
Hi. Sure. Yeah, you want to purchase? You want to purchase or try on? Purchase. Great.
So it used to be a pocket watch. Look at that movement. Oh my God.
So it's about 100 years old. And here we are now. 100% American made. Everything here is American made. We're in Fort Collins, Colorado.
And you guys got GMTs, small seconds.
Yep.
What's like the average retail price or like the range roughly?
Usually like 2,400 to 3,000 is what's in this case over here.
Okay. Beautiful.
Thank you.
You guys are awesome.
These guys are great to serve.
So Vortic, these guys, they take old pocket watches and they turn them into wristwatches.
Right. Yeah. That's super nice.
And I hope you guys saw that movement.
We also noticed that like some of the
I appreciate it, thanks. Oh, there we go. There's the pocket watch.
We got the Frank Sinatra watches. Have you seen the Frank Sinatra watch?
No, I haven't seen those yet.
So these are the Frank Sinatra ones, and basically, like Frank Sinatra, we sponsored like his concerts and everything like that. Bulova did, and then like they made like the dial based on like some of his songs and like there's a collaboration.
Those are nice, man.
Yeah, you can see the finishing of
What
the
is
dial.
this, stainless steel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the finishing of the dials is super nice too. And it's a classic look, you know? Automatic. Yep. Oh yeah, the park. Dude, someone brought the original parking meter and then he took a picture of it. It was sick.
It's the R-Type series.
And then we got the hacks and the AR-15. orange one's like a limited edition.
What is it?
And obviously, and what these are known for is the electrostatic movement.
Oh, that's Accutron. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, this Accutron, yeah.
Is it on? I can't see.
I mean, it's a sample, so this one might not actually work. Yeah, this one doesn't work. Let me get.
Like slowly starting.
Yeah, and it's cool, but if you like put it down and like tap your hand on it moves because it runs on energy. So like the positive negative ions, it's pretty much like a perpetual energy.
So I just saw them on Instagram the other day. Not really sure exactly who they are, but they're called Yema. How much is that?
1400.
1400?
Yeah.
And it's you guys make the movements, right?
This mouse made 48 hours. One of the components are both in Switzerland, and we're waiting for
Finally the time to check out William Wood. I'm gonna slide into the booth.
Feel free to get a closer look, try them out. Not a problem.
packed. Yeah. At least you guys got a little bit of room. We're like, well, actually, it's not bad right now, but yeah.
I know at some moments in times it can be like,
I get claustrophobic, so
Yeah.
it's like,
I will agree with that.
yeah. I love this story with you guys, though,
Thank you.
about how you like upcycle it and the helmet
Yes.
on the crown, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Went to
So.
the crown. Also on those ones, also in the case back
Which one is that?
is this one. So our dress watch. And in the case back.
So that one has it on the case pack too.
It's an actual coin that is inside.
We have a YouTube, like Instagram channel that we do it for. Yeah. It's called the Timely Manor.
Timely manner.
Yeah, and Manor is M-A-N-O-R. Yeah. We're amateur. We're just getting started, but yeah. It's all watch pages. Yeah. But I love micro brands, man. That's like our thing. Yeah. I'm at the right
Don't go
show.
to the internet.
Yeah.